In Zoomarine, we are looking always for new ways to maintain and improve the lives of the animals in our care. Nail trimming has become a weekly practice and parrots are trained for it. The techniques that we apply can be with or without physical contact. A variety of instruments can be used for trimming toenails, as dog nail clipper, nail file, and Dremel. Let's start from protective contact.
Bravissimo.
The parrot is trained to place its foot up on the side wire of the enclosure. We began first by desensitizing the bird to the platform. Once right next to the platform, we asked the parrot to step on it. When the individual seemed comfortable, we added the instrument.
Good.
The parrot is voluntarily wrapped in a towel.
Bravissimo. Bravissimo. Bravissimo.
So trainer can check the nails.
Good.
The parrot is on a perch. It is cued to lift a foot so the trainer can hold it. The most challenging part was the initial movement of the Dremel. How can we train it? We start simply touching a nail with the Dremel off, just for a moment. Once this step was achieved, we turn on the Dremel and wait for the animal to touch it. So we can start to trim. The next step is to increase the speed and build the duration of the Dremel. Remember to associate nail trimming with positive things. This will make it more likely to behave next time.
Good, Massimo. Bravissimo. Bravissimo.
That's all for this video and see you to the next Zoomarine training adventure. Bye!